something called a sketch. I guess those who have used Fusion or even Onshape once before. That means you should always keep the exclusion zone 17 or 16 millimeters.
They made the car.
This once it's a tutorial car. So now this open and now the web.
Anyone has any questions up till here? So the full form of CAM is Computer Aided Manufacturing. So this, suppose this is the machine cutter. Okay, so this is access. So let's just have a quick recap about whatever we learned till now.